What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Facebook ads not delivering problem. So let's get started. So first, you need to head over to the website of Facebook, and after logging in or signing up with your Facebook account, on the right side, you can see this waffle-like menu icon. Click on this and then click on this ads section here on the right side. Now this will open the Meta Business Management, which is basically the Facebook ads page. Now, after coming here, you need to go to your recent campaigns or to your ads that are not running. After coming to the ads, you need to select the ad that is not running, and then you just need to click on edit. And after clicking on edit, here you will see the problem that to use a Facebook page. And when you just click on new traffic ad on the new under the new ad set, you just need to hover and check that all the details are filled correctly, like this tracking event and the destination event. You just need to select a destination for your ad set to get delivered. And after that, make sure that you have entered the correct ad name, or if you have chosen any template, make sure that's correctly uploaded or not, because some small errors give a huge problem. And after that, just click on new traffic campaign or whatever campaign that you have created. And after that, just check all the settings that you have done everything perfectly. And after that, just close the Facebook Ads Manager after saving and reopen it from the Facebook. And after that, you will be able to solve the Facebook ads not delivering ads problem. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.